Hello, gorgeous. Thank you for joining me. It is Jen. Today we are going to be doing a gorgeous sparkly eye. I picked up a new liquid shadow from Jason Wu. It is a new line at Target. I just love glitter. So if you want to see me put together a glitter eye, then just keep on watching. We are going to start with the Viseart. This is their neutral mattes palette. This is what we're going to be using for the base, the outer corner, and the lower eye. I'm going to go right in the center here. These are this is one of the nicest eyeshadows I've ever owned. I got this off of BoxyCharm. I do highly recommend if you are not part of BoxyCharm. Their add-ons and pop-ups is where I have been able to really increase my eyeshadow or eye makeup or makeup in general. BoxyCharm has helped me grow my makeup collection. This is an $80 palette. I think I paid $12. So we've got our crease done. We're going to go into a deeper shade for the outer corner, and we're going to go into this bottom deeper shade right here. Blending that darker outer corner out, soft edges. Going into that transition shade for under the eye. Deepening that outer corner. BH Power Pencil in black. Now, liner is on. If you wanted to do a simple eye, you could throw one of the light colors on the lid and you could have a nice neutral matte look. But for today, we are going to jump into a new liquid eyeshadow from a new brand at Target called Jason Wu. Jason Wu is a makeup artist that just came out with his own makeup brand, and I recently tried this and wanted to show you how just beautiful these are. I picked up the shade Butterfly. Now I use the wand, and you could pat it if you wanted to make it more subtle, or you could just use the wand. Don't want to go all the way, just about halfway to 3/4. You can add a little bit more to increase the opacity. just going to give that a second to dry. I'll be right back. Okay, here is the rest of the face. So what do you think? Do you like the glitter eye? I am curious to play with more colors. I've heard some great things about the products. There's eyeshadow, there's lipstick. If you are curious about these products, please comment below if you picked them up. Let me know if you've not picked them up but would like me to test some more of those products. It's just nice to have a drugstore option. This is a nice sparkly shadow. I must say that I am impressed, and I'm so glad that you joined me today. Thank you so much. I hope you had some fun watching this glittery eye, and I did add some false lashes. I don't know if I mentioned that or not. Just some little magnetic accents from Ardell. They're my favorite. I use them all the time, use them over and over again. But thank you for joining me. If you have not already subscribed, I hope you will consider subscribing before you leave. Leave a comment, give it a thumbs up, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you.